Now we are going to discuss static EMI. Static EMI. What is static EMI? Whenever there is change in magnetic field, when there is change in only magnetic field, then EMF is induced, and this process is called static EMI. Whenever there is change in magnetic field only, then EMF is induced, in the closed circuit current is induced. It is called static EMI. It is divided into two parts: self-induction and mutual induction. Static EMI has two types. One is self-induction and another is mutual induction. What is self-induction? Whenever change in current in one coil and current induced in the same coil, it is called self-induction. जब किसी कॉइल में हम करंट में चेंज करें और उसी कॉइल में करंट इंड्यूस हो जाए, उसको हम बोलेंगे सेल्फ इंडक्शन. Whenever there is change in current in a coil and in the same coil current is induced in the opposite direction, then it is called self induction. आप देख सकते हैं, this is inductive coil, the cell, key, variable resistance. When we switch on, when we put on the key, then current will start flowing, so there will be change in the current. When there is change in current, then magnetic field will be changed, so EMF will be induced and current will be induced in the opposite direction. तो जब करंट को स्टार्ट करेंगे या करंट बढ़ेगी तो इंड्यूस करंट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगी. जब इस कॉइल में करंट को स्टार्ट करेंगे या करंट को बढ़ाएंगे तो जो करंट इंड्यूस होगा वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगा. जब हम इस की को ऑफ करेंगे या करंट को कम करेंगे तो जो इंड्यूस करंट होगा वो सेम डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगा. जब हम करंट को बढ़ाएंगे तो इंड्यूस करंट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, जब हम कम करेंगे तो इंड्यूस करंट सेम डायरेक्शन में चला जाएगा. सो व्हेन देयर इज चेंज इन करंट इन अ कॉइल एंड करंट इज इंड्यूस्ड इन द सेम कॉइल, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ इंडक्शन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज प्राइमरी कॉइल and this is secondary coil. Galvanometer is connected in secondary coil, cell or battery is connected in primary coil. Whenever there is change in current in primary coil and current is induced in the secondary coil, it is called mutual induction. जब primary coil में current change करे और secondary coil में current induce हो जाए, it is called mutual induction. When there is change in current in primary coil and current is induced in the secondary coil, it is called म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन. सेम प्रोसेस, अगर करंट को बढ़ाएंगे तो इसमें जो करंट इंड्यूस होगा वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगा. द करंट विल इंड्यूस इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे तो करंट बढ़ेगा तो करंट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगा. लेकिन जब हम इसको ऑफ करेंगे या करंट को कम करेंगे तो करंट सेम डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस हो जाएगा. तो जब प्राइमरी कॉइल में करंट चेंज करें, सेकेंडरी कॉइल में करंट इंड्यूस हो जाए, इट इज कॉल्ड म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस, which is denoted by capital L. As we know, when current increases, then flux will increase. So the total flux N phi is directly proportional to current. Total flux N phi is directly proportional to current. We remove this proportional sign, will apply equal with constant, and this constant is L. L is called self-inductance. It is proportionality constant. It is called L, self-inductance. Formula of L is N phi upon I. What is the formula of self-inductance? N phi upon I. L is called self-inductance. What is L? L is called self-inductance. Its SI unit is Henry. Self-inductance की unit क्या होती है? Henry. SI unit of self-inductance is Henry. Now how will you define self-inductance? Self-inductance को कैसे define करेंगे? When the unit current flows, when current is 1 ampere, means when unit current flows in a coil, then total flux linked with the coil is equals to self-inductance. When unit current flows, then total flux will be equals to self-inductance. So what is self inductance? When unit current flows, then total flux linked with the coil is equals to self inductance, means 1 Henry. So N phi proportional to I, N phi equals to Li, L equals to N phi upon I, where L is called self inductance, its SI unit is Henry. Phi formula is BA and the unit of phi is Tesla into meter square. So the another unit of self inductance is Tesla into meter square upon ampere. Unit of self inductance is Tesla into meter square upon ampere. Now we will derive the expression of EMF in terms of self inductance. We will derive the expression of EMF in terms of self inductance. The formula of EMF is given by minus N d phi by dt. What is the formula of EMF? Minus N d phi by dt. N को अंदर ले जाएंगे, it will become minus d by dt into N phi. N phi की जगह what we can write? We can write Li. So EMF is equals to minus d upon dt. L is constant for a coil. So EMF is equals to minus L di by dt. This is the formula of EMF. Formula of EMF is minus L di by dt. Now we will define L. How we will define L? L is equals to E upon di by dt. If di by dt is 1 ampere per second, then L is equals to E. If di by dt is 1 ampere per second, then EMF will be equal to self inductance. When rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second, when rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second, then EMF induced is equals to self inductance. When rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second, then total EMF induced is equals to self inductance. Here we can get another unit of self inductance. The formula of L is E upon di by dt. So the unit of EMF is volt, di by dt is ampere per second. So another unit of L is volt upon ampere per second, or we can write volt into second, ampere inverse. Now we are going to discuss about mutual inductance. So N2 phi 2 is proportional to I1. As we know, in mutual induction there is primary coil and secondary coil. So when current is changed in primary coil, then flux will change in secondary coil also. तो जितना ज़्यादा प्राइमरी कॉइल में करंट होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा फ्लक्स होगा सेकेंडरी कॉइल में. सो N2 phi 2 इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू I1. प्रोपोर्शनल हटाएंगे, विल अप्लाई इक्वल विथ कांस्टेंट M. Where M is constant, it is called mutual inductance. M is called mutual inductance. M is equals to N2 phi 2 upon I1. M का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? N2 phi 2 upon I1. If unit current is flowing in primary coil, if unit current is flowing in primary coil, then total flux linked with the secondary coil is equals to mutual inductance. When unit current is flowing in primary coil, then total flux linked with the secondary coil is equals to mutual inductance. Now we will derive the formula of EMF in terms of mutual inductance. Formula of EMF is minus N2 d phi 2 upon dt. N2 को अंदर ले जाएंगे, N2 phi 2 is equals to M I1. So I will put the value of N2 phi 2 which is equals to M I1. EMF is equals to minus d by dt M I1. The formula of EMF will be minus M d I1 upon dt. What will be the formula of M? Minus E d I1 upon dt. Now how will you define M? When rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second. When rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second, then total EMF induced in the secondary coil इज इक्वल टू म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस। जब प्राइमरी कॉइल में रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ करंट 1 एम्पियर पर सेकेंड होगा, then total EMF induced in the secondary coil is equals to mutual inductance, and the unit of mutual inductance is Henry. The unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Another unit is volt second ampere inverse. The unit of self inductance and mutual inductance both are same. दोनों की यूनिट सेम होती है। Now we are going to derive the expression of self inductance of solenoid. Solenoid के लिए self inductance का हमें expression derive करना है। As you can see, suppose this is the solenoid in which n turns are there. When I current flows, then magnetic field is produced mu naught Ni. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is mu naught Ni, where N is number of turns per unit length. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is mu naught Ni, and number of turns is number of turn per unit length. So magnetic field is given by mu naught N upon L into I. We have to derive the expression of self inductance. Formula of self inductance is N phi upon I, where phi equals to BA cos theta. Theta is the angle between area vector and magnetic field. Magnetic field and area vector will be at the 0 degree. So phi equals to BA. Formula of L equals to N phi upon I. Phi की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? BA. So L equals to NBA upon I. And magnetic field B for the solenoid is given by mu naught Ni. So L equals to N mu naught Ni A upon I. L equals to N mu naught Ni A upon I cancel, where small n is equals to number of turns per unit length. So we'll write N upon L. So formula of self inductance for the solenoid is given by mu naught N square A upon L. If solenoid is placed at any medium, then we will multiply from mu r, which is called relative permeability. For medium, self inductance is given by mu r mu naught N square A upon L. If everything is fixed, then self inductance is directly proportional to N square. This thing you have to take care that L proportional to N square. कैसे है? phi का फॉर्मूला BA, L का फॉर्मूला N phi upon I, phi की जगह BA, B solenoid के लिए mu naught Ni, so we'll get L equals to mu naught N square A upon L, I cancel. For medium, L equals to mu r mu naught N square A upon L. This is the self inductance for the solenoid. Now we are going to discuss mutual inductance of coaxial solenoids जिनका axis same हो. So this is first solenoid in which I1 current is flowing, and the second which is coaxial in which I2 current is induced. When I1 current flows, then magnetic field is given by mu naught N1 I1, where N1 is number of turn per unit length. The flux will induce in secondary coil, which is equals to B1 A2, because magnetic field it is linked with primary coil. The magnetic field of primary coil will induce flux of secondary coil. So formula of M, N2 phi 2 upon I1. The formula of M is N2 phi 2 upon I1. Put the value of phi 2. Phi 2 is B1 A2. We'll put this value, and the value of B1 is mu naught N1 I1 cancel. N1 is equals to N1 upon L1. So mutual inductance is mu naught N1 N2 A2 upon L1, and medium is given, so we'll multiply from mu r. So mutual inductance is mu r mu naught N1 A2 upon L1. Now we are going to discuss about eddy current. What is eddy current? When a solid metallic block is placed in time varying magnetic field. When a solid metallic block is placed in time varying magnetic field, then in the solid metallic block current is induced. This current is called eddy current. This may be harmful because it produces heat, and due to eddy current, transformer losses take place. Efficiency of transformer decreases. So what is eddy current? Eddy currents are induced in the bulk piece of conductors when amount of magnetic flux linked with the conductor changes. जब भी किसी सॉलिड मेटेलिक ब्लॉक में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में चेंज होगा तो उसके अंदर करंट इंड्यूस हो जाएगा. दिस करंट इज कॉल्ड एडी करंट. इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ एडीज, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एडी करंट. As you can see, this is magnetic field. When this coil is moving, when this conductor is moving, the current is induced, and this current is called eddy current. So when a solid metallic block is placed in a time varying magnetic field, then current is induced, and this current is called eddy current. The disadvantages of eddy current. Due to eddy current, heat losses take place. Due to eddy current, heat is produced, and due to heat, insulation breakdown take place. So this is the disadvantage of eddy current. Due to eddy current, heat losses take place, and the efficiency of transformer decreases due to eddy current. Now question arises, how eddy current can be reduced? Eddy current को कैसे कम कर सकते हैं? The eddy current can be reduced by using laminated the iron core. The method is laminated. How the eddy current is minimized? The method name is laminated the iron core. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, सॉलिड मेटेलिक ब्लॉक को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे. फिर हर एक पीस के साइड में हम वार्निश लगा देंगे और उसको वापस कंबाइन कर देंगे. So this process is called laminated the iron core. So to decrease the eddy current, the iron core is laminated. To minimize the effect produced by eddy currents, laminated separated cores are used. Thin sheets of soft iron are coated by insulator like varnish. पहले हम solid metallic block को छोटे छोटे pieces में divide कर देंगे, फिर उसको varnish कर देंगे, then वापस से हम उसको combine कर देंगे. As a result, strength of current is reduced. तो eddy current की जो strength होगी वो reduce हो जाएगी. So to minimize the eddy current, laminated the iron core is used. So eddy current is used in magnetic braking and trains. Eddy current का क्या use है? Trains में brake लगाने के लिए. The wheels of the train are connected with the box, metallic box. So this wheel, they are connected with metallic box. So when train is stopped, then magnetic field is applied. Magnetic field is applied across the box of the wheels. These wheels are connected with metallic block, and magnetic field provides. When magnetic field provides, then eddy current will induce, and the eddy current will oppose the motion of the train. So the use of eddy current is to apply brakes in train, because the wheel is connected with metallic block. When we are to stop the train, then we will provide changing magnetic field, and when changing magnetic field is provided, then eddy current is induced, and eddy current will oppose the motion. Another use of eddy current is electromagnetic damping, and it is also used extraction of iron core. जो ओर होती है, आयरन की जो ओर होती है, वहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को अप्लाई किया जाता है, चेंजिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अप्लाई किया जाता है, तो उसमें एडी करंट इंड्यूस होगा. सो एडी करंट विल मेल्ट द मेटल, सो वी कैन टेक आउट द मेटल फ्रॉम द ओर. सो दीज आर द यूजेस ऑफ एडी करंट. So we have completed this chapter from my side. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and do study more and more.